Wyomissing Borough, Vanity Fair, 801 Hill Avenue, the Blue Building, cross street at North 8th Avenue and North Park Road, structure fire. Station 79, Station 85, Power 79, Ladder 64, Reading Ladder 1, Engine 85, Engine 69, Engine 36. Running Engine 3, Engine 55, Station 11 RIT, Medic 6512, Wyomissing Borough, 801 Hill Avenue, Vanity Fair, Blue Building, cross streets of North 8th Avenue and North Park Road. Structure fire reported to be fire on the roof. Operation will be on Burke's Fire Ops 1 after response, 1546.
I'm on responding, man. I'm just turning on the Wyomissing Boulevard now.
Alright, I should be on scene in about a minute. I'll give you further. 85, 202, 203. I didn't know which passage you were. Ron, I got the, would be the north entrance. I just,
'Command from Engine 55.
man.
Chief, we're in front of Building 3 on Cherry. We have a hydrant. Do you want us to lay in at all, or are you sufficient?
We're sufficient. You can supplement the humat valve that's on the hydrant on Park Road at the entrance to Cherry Drive.
Alright, receive.
Ladder 1 crewman on the 5th floor from command. Ladder 1 firefighter on the 5th floor from command on Ops 1. Captain 85 from command. Can you up Ladder 1 and find out what we're going to need on the 5th floor if we're going to need anything from up on the 5th floor, if the tower's going to take care of the roof.
Receive. We're trying to get a hold of him. We're going to check his radio. While I have you, we did get information several days ago that had a pancake collapse in that area.
Engine 85 California. You can back up pressure down a little bit.
Engine 95 copy.
Two 201. Do you need more help over there?
Well, send one of the guys up here, and that way I can down the scene. Go ahead, 201. Just pull into station.
Northern action, number 12.
85, 201, 202.
Receive.
Deputy 85 from command. If we have a guy in a safe, it looks like it's non-combustible, but let's get the booster line off the engine and get that stuff that's dropping down.
Traffic 85, 85 201.
Go ahead, I got the traffic.
Take 4 past the road and head on 222.
Captain 79, Captain 85.
Right.
Are you going to need any lines, hand lines off the tower that we need to get them ready? Or are you sufficient with what you have?
We're okay with everybody. I'm not going to put this stuff to. I want to do this thing.
Okay.
How long is command from both consoles? Let's confirm that this belongs to the Terra facility. Are there any active hazards in the building? Negative, no hazards involved. And there's no functioning businesses there, correct? Negative, the building's under demolition at this point. Appreciate it.
Chief, you calling Lieutenant?
Yeah, one of the guys down there is the head of the construction company down there with you, so can you round him up? I'm going to need to get some information.
Deal with it. $85,201, 85,201. Good.
Need any more assistance back at the fire?
You want to go on the east side of the CF, I believe 36.
36201 fire police available.
$36,208, $85,201. Do you have any other apparatus we're going to have to back out down this direction anytime soon?
That's it for now.
Copy that.